DFW Honda in Grapevine, Texas is a great place to deal with. I just had them send me this model, the die-cast model for the 50th anniversary of the Honda GoldWing. I bought a 2025 Honda GoldWing DCT in the gold color, but I live in Canada, and in Canada we don't get this model with the bike. We only get the coffee table book. So I thought that I would order in the model, and here's my unboxing. As you can see, it's got on one side, it's got the red 2025, and then on the other side, it's got the red 1975 Honda GoldWings. So let's just peel off this wrapper. Quite a nice box. Yeah, it looks like it opens on the end. You can see here that shows that it's a mirror with a half a bike on each side. When you look at it, it gives you the illusion that you're looking at a complete bike on each side, but actually you're not. It's kind of a neat illusion that they did on that. So I'm just going to put the box down on the ground there. Looks like I've got some tape here. I'll just give that a quick snip. Wow, that ever cool. There we go. There's the original 1975 Honda GoldWing. Again, looks like it's a whole bike, but as you can see, it's a mirror. But on the other side, you got the 2025. I wish they had got this where you could get it in either the red or the gold, but it only came in the red because the red is on the other side as well, is my thought. Anyways, just a beautiful thing. Just spin it around here so you can have a good look at it. Take that off the seat. It's just awesome. I do have a GoldWing. Well, actually I have a whole die-cast collection with a bunch of cars and trucks and motorbikes. And I decided that I wanted this one for sure, being that I bought the 2025 anniversary bike. Anyways, that's what you get. And like I say, you look at the bike and it looks like the whole bike because it's got a mirror image on the other side. Just awesome. Thank you, Honda.